Welcome back. I found some key differences that almost no one talks about. So watch to the end or you'll miss the most important part.
Right, quick joke before we talk money. If productivity apps truly fixed our lives, we wouldn't need comparison videos, we'd already be done working for the day. Anyway, let's jump straight into pricing. Taskade offers a free plan that's genuinely usable, not just a teaser. You get task lists, notes, mind maps, limited collaboration, and access across web, desktop, and mobile. For individuals or small teams, this free tier can already handle real planning and organization. Paid plans start at a per user monthly price when billed annually, as shown on the Taskade pricing page linked below. These paid tiers unlock unlimited projects, expanded collaboration, version history, and access to Taskade's AI features. As you move up the plans, you also get automation workflows, admin controls, and deeper customization for teams, while still staying relatively affordable compared to heavier project management tools. For comparison context, Obsidian's pricing works very differently. Obsidian itself is free for personal use, with optional paid add-ons like Sync and Publish listed on the Obsidian pricing page linked below. This makes Taskade more of a subscription-based collaboration platform, while Obsidian focuses on optional paid extensions rather than a required plan. Now let's focus on what Taskade actually offers. Taskade is an all-in-one productivity workspace that combines task management, note-taking, mind mapping, and real-time collaboration into a single interface. You can create structured task lists, nest tasks into clear hierarchies, and instantly switch between list views, board views, calendars, and mind maps. This flexibility allows users to plan visually or linearly depending on how they think. Tasks can be assigned to teammates, deadlines added, priorities set, and progress tracked live. Everything updates in real time, which makes Taskade especially effective for remote teams that need transparency without constant meetings. Taskade also includes built-in communication tools. You get workspace chat, comments directly on tasks, and even video calls, keeping conversations tied to actual work instead of scattered across emails or messaging apps. Teams can brainstorm ideas together, turn them into actionable tasks, and execute plans without leaving the platform. Real-time co-editing makes Taskade useful for meeting notes, sprint planning, content calendars, and collaborative brainstorming sessions. Another major highlight is Taskade's built-in AI. Taskade AI can generate task lists, outline projects, summarize notes, create workflows, and help brainstorm ideas directly inside your workspace. This significantly reduces setup time and helps users move from idea to execution much faster. Taskade also provides a large library of templates for personal productivity, marketing plans, goal tracking, and team workflows. Everything syncs smoothly across devices, so your work stays accessible, whether you're at your desk or checking tasks on your phone. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, Taskade is clean, intuitive, and flexible. It's easy to learn, visually organized, and powerful enough for individuals, freelancers, startups, and remote teams. Real-time collaboration, AI tools, and multiple viewing options deliver strong value for the price. On the downside, Taskade may feel too lightweight for complex enterprise project management. It lacks deep reporting, advanced time tracking, and highly granular workflow controls. Power users with very specific requirements may eventually outgrow it, but for speed, clarity, and collaboration, Taskade delivers exactly what it promises. Now let's shift gears and talk about Obsidian, which takes a completely different approach. Obsidian is a knowledge management and note-taking tool built around local markdown files, rather than cloud-first collaboration. Obsidian focuses on long-term thinking, research, and personal knowledge systems instead of team task execution. Its core feature is bidirectional linking, allowing you to connect notes to each other and build a web of ideas over time, Instead of isolated documents, your notes become a connected knowledge graph that grows as you add more content. Obsidian supports backlinks, tags, folders, daily notes, and advanced search, giving users powerful ways to organize and retrieve information. One of its most visually striking features is the graph view, which shows how all your notes connect. This makes Obsidian especially appealing to writers, researchers, students, developers, and deep thinkers who want to see relationships between ideas rather than just lists of tasks. Because everything is stored locally by default, users maintain full ownership of their data and can work offline without limitations, which is a major advantage for privacy-focused users and long-term archiving. Another major strength of Obsidian is its plugin ecosystem. There are hundreds of community plugins that add features like task management, Kanban boards, calendars, spaced repetition, publishing tools, code snippets, and automation. This allows Obsidian to be customized from a simple note-taking app into a powerful, personal knowledge system, tailored to how your brain works and evolves over time. Pricing-wise, Obsidian itself is free for personal use. Optional paid add-ons include Obsidian Sync for encrypted cloud syncing across devices and Obsidian Publish for sharing notes publicly, both listed on the official pricing page. This modular pricing means you only pay for features you actually need instead of being locked into a subscription model. Now for Obsidian's pros and cons. On the plus side, Obsidian offers total data ownership, extreme customization, offline access, and unmatched flexibility for long-term knowledge building. It's fast, private, and future-proof, since everything is stored as plain text files that will still work years from now. On the downside, Obsidian has a steeper learning curve. Beginners may feel overwhelmed by Markdown, plugins, and setup choices, and it requires time and experimentation to build a truly useful system. Collaboration is also limited compared to tools like Taskade, making it less suitable for real-time team workflows or task-driven environments. In terms of ratings, Taskade generally receives positive feedback on Trustpilot for ease of use and collaboration features, though ratings can change over time. Obsidian has limited or inconsistent Trustpilot data, so available ratings may not fully represent overall user sentiment, and this should be taken as a general reference rather than a definitive score. Final takeaway, choose Taskade if you want structured productivity, real-time collaboration, and AI-powered workflows. Choose Obsidian if you want deep thinking, personal knowledge management, and full control over your data. If this comparison helped, like and subscribe to the channel for more software breakdowns, and click the link below to access the software and test which one truly fits your workflow best.